Hello everyone, welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a tectonic, aka a Jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. In today's newspaper of Thursday, yes, it's still Thursday, February the 8th, 2024. And we have three regular puzzles. Two of those I've already solved, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So one regular puzzle is left, the Jigsaw Sudoku, and in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And what's the news of today? Well, I've told you in Russia, the Russians presidential election, the opponent of Putin is blocked from the election. So you cannot choose several people for the president. There's only one president. There's no the dictator Putin. So the election is a joke in Russia. It's a joke. It's not quite an election. Alright, let me go back with this puzzle. Jigsaw Sudoku number 7962. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. And 16. So I think it's a 1 or 2 stars puzzle. It's indicated with 3 stars. Well, don't think so. For 1 star puzzle you need to be faster than 15 minutes. For a 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. Question is this really a 2 stars or a 1 star puzzle? We'll see, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? I cannot see any single boxes here. How about dual boxes? Here a dual box, there a dual box, and here a dual box, and there a dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, it can be a 1. We have 1 here, so the 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Here also the 1 and the 2. Do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for here, the 1 and 2. Do not know in which order. And here also 1 and the 2, 1 and 2. Alright, how about triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes. How about quadruple boxes then? See here, quadruple box. These 3 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left of the 2 in this quadruple box should be there. This box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there, and the 1 could be everywhere. This quadruple box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2, so 1 box left of 2 should be there. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. And this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. The 1 could be here, could be there. Alright, more quadruple boxes? No. Then the following step. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this S construction. Let me draw this here. When you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Well, it can be a 1. We have a 1 here, so this box should be a 2. It is connected with that box, should be also 2. So 1 digit left in this dual box for number 1. And this S construction, this box is also connected with that box. Alright. S construction. Do we have more S constructions here? No. Then the following step, shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, another one here. This box has the same name as that box. Here another one. This box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. So one box left in this duo box for number 1. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Yeah. Let me draw this here. Yeah, let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. This box has the same name as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. We have only one of this kind of shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Well, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. This box has the same name as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. We have only one of this kind of shape. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here then. When you see the L shape, remember this L shape is mirrored. Alright, this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Okay, so this box is the same name as that box. Okay, in this case, it's a 2. Alright, do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? Let me check. No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them. Yeah, I believe the T shape is missing here. Anyway. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright, these two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. We have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. 1 in the 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. Then. These two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be 2, but also that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. Well. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think this box should be a 5. If I place 5 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also 5. Is also connected with that box, should be also 5. But we already have a 5 here. So, don't think this box should be a 5. So the only place left for the 5 in this area should be here then. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. And is connected with that box, should be also 3. And this one is also connected with that box, should be also a 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Here also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area. Should be here. These two boxes surrounded 2 can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Oh wait, these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then. Well. Let me think. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 5. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. If I place 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So not the solution to place the 5 there. The only place left for 5 in this area. Should be here then. These two boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this S construction. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. One was 3 and 4, 3 and 4. That means that this box cannot be 3 or a 4. 3 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 5. This one is connected with that box, so 3 and a 4. Okay, we need a 1 in this S construction. Well, this box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1. 1 box left for the 1 in this S construction should be here. So 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 and more. This box should be a 4. So 1 digit left in this S construction for number 3 is connected with that box, should be so a 3. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. These two boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this area should be there. Mark those two boxes under with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 and more. That box will be a 3, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this quadra box should be the 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. Well, need to wait. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this area from this 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. These two boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4. Alright, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, told you, should be a 1 star. Definitely 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. Anyway, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye. for now, and have a great and fantastic Thursday.